Yes guys, hope everyone's okay. Welcome back for another video. If you remember rightly, I tried the hot and spicy chicken wings from Lidl and they weren't hot and spicy. So, when I got some chicken wings from Lidl, I think they were about $2.99. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to put them in an envelope like a tin foil with some spices, peppers, everything inside them, and then cook them in the oven. Mine are going to be spicier than yours, Lidl. See you shortly, guys. Right guys, welcome back. So, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Is I think the Tuesday the 5th or 4th, I can't remember. But chicken wings, you'll probably see this around, because it's Tuesday today, you'll probably see this about Wednesday because of me sister's really crappy dial-up internet, because I'm going to be uploading it as soon as I've done the review on them. So yeah, the chicken wings, I think it was like £2.99, something like that, Birchwoods, something like that. So, really, there's shit on the floor. I'll tell you what, it's all back and legs. Oh my god. Nightmare. Right, let me get these chicken wings open first. Pair the Skeisers. Whoop, said the frog. Right, so. Chicken wings. Right. Yes, we have got cooker rating instructions. So, what were these at 190, preheated already. I've just turned it on, so it's getting there. It's going to be 30 minutes. That's the madras from last night. Oh yes, I'll be having that as well. Not tonight, but maybe, who knows. Right, so chicken wings. Let me get the other ingredients and I'll be back. So guys, just looking for ingredients. Chili puree, some garlic granules, they're going in as well. Oh yes. Ooh, yes. Can't have chicken without paprika. That's going in. Oh, this is going to be magically delicious. Got some. Obviously, you've got to have salt and pepper. You've got to have that. There. I might do away with the cayenne. Might do away with the cayenne just for this. And we got some nice hot chili powder, so that'll be going in as well. Duncan, are you drooling yet? In Boston, are you drooling yet? And just a couple of chili fingers, for good measure, why not? Right, so firstly, gonna get some tin foil. Oh there, really? Get some tin foil, put that on there. Andy, I don't know if your envelope thing will work, mate. I'm not sure if this envelope thing will work, but let's get that in there. However, I do have a plan. Back in a second. Right guys, back again. So, I took the chicken wings out of this and I put them in a zip seal bag. One of those freezer baggy things. So, this is the plan. Please work. Please. So, bit of chili puri. In she goes. Oh yes. Bit of chili puri in there. Some pepper. Oh there. Really. You stay on my fat belly. There we go. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. Oh yes, can't have chicken wings without a bit of salt. Some garlic granules. Whoa, I said some garlic granules, but I put millions in there, but there we go. Some paprika. Magica, here we go. Zip her up. Give it a shake. Oh yes. Get it all coated. Get it all on there. Make sure all the chicken wings are all coated. Oh there, really. Apart from the ones at the bottom. Really. Just get it all over. I've seen Gordon Ramsay do this in a bowl, but I thought, you know what? Yeah. I'm going to be a little bit different, and I'll just do it the way I do it, which is just like this. Get it all on there. Oh yes. Whoa, look at that. Lovely coated chicken wings. Then, take them out of there and plonk them in a tin foil. And this envelope bollocks better work. Excuse my French. Yeah, that's not going to work. There's too many of them for that little bit of foil. I think yeah, there's too many on there for the envelope job. But hey, you know, just spread it around. Get your hands dirty, guys, and just get on there. Just get it all dirty, your hands. Get your hands dirty, because you can wash them. It's not a problem. So yeah, hot chili powder in here. Oh yes. Ugh. Disgusting. So now, dry my hands off. Just dry my hands off a little bit. I was going to use red pepper in this, but then I thought, nah, you know what? If I'm going to make it nice and hot and spicy, it's got to be finger chilies. It's got to be. So, yeah, a couple of finger chilies in there. One, that was about as old as Andy, so we'll just use that on that, that's fine. The rest of them can go in there because they're past the sell by date. Get the little knife, chop its end off, get that off, get that off. Ba, 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 ba. Going to be playing some Sniper Elite 5 after this on the PS4, so oh yes, in it goes. 1, 2, just chop them up, chop them up, chop that up, chop that up. Get all this, just dot it about a little bit, that'd be fine. Oh yes, this is going to be banging. Hopefully, with a little bit of luck. Right, so, hand wash. And the heck's my tea towel? There it is. Right, so, yeah. Chicken wings. Oh, this better be nice. I decided not to do the envelope thing that Andy said. I just decided to go with this, but I still reckon it'll be juicy in 30 minutes. You all know about juicy, yeah. Right, so guys, yeah, there we go. Chicken wings with the jalapenos on. Not jalapenos. Talking of jalapeno, oh yes, on a steak. Got some jalapeno here. So, out with the jalapenos. They're gonna just go over there and just a little bit of jalapeno juicy stuff. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, forgot that part. That needs to go over there as well. These are going to be juicy, these. Jalapeno juice instead of milk. Oh yes. Let's have some of that. Right guys, I'm going to bang these in the oven. 30 minutes. Bosh. And we'll be back. See you in a bit. Right guys, so we're back. It's been 35 minutes, even though it said 30, I left it be a little bit longer. Got my tongs. Just gonna, ooh, the automatic hot smell off that. Look at that. Ooh, chicken wings, hot, spicy chicken wings. I've got my tongs, so we're alright. I'm not going to burn my fingers while I take them out. Switch that oven off. Let's get them out and onto a plate, because this is probably all I'm going to eat tonight. It's just chicken wings. Probably not all at the same time, but because I'm not that greedy. So get these chicken wings out. Jalapeno, everything on there, all the spices. Might throw a bit of that juice on it as well actually. It's yeah, I'm definitely not going to eat all these tonight. Not a chance. No way. There's way too many there. But here, really. Ooh. Hot spicy chicken wings. On the bone. A couple of jalapenos, just throw them on as well, the jalapenos. Chuck them on. Chuck them on there, a few jalapenos. Beautiful. And guys, we're gonna be back shortly, because I'm not gonna eat these right now, because otherwise they're just gonna burn my gob out, because they're hot, not hot spicy hot, but like a volcano hot, because they just come out of the oven. So, gonna get these in the living room, set myself up on the table, then we'll come back. See you shortly. Right guys, welcome back. They've cooled down a little bit now. I'm just playing some Sniper Elite 5 while they were cooling down. Got the jalapeno, all the spices, all the coating on the chicken. I need to do some deep fried chicken wings, that's what I need to do. Oh, said the frog. So, let's have a look at these. Why do we have them little taily things on? You don't get naff all off them apart from a little bit. Like that. That's it. But, let's go guys. Hot and spicy chicken wings. These have still got the tails on. Yeah. They'll be coming off. Let's bite first, bite hard. Oh yes. Right, so. They smell hot. They do smell hot. I'm going to have to wash my hands after this as well. Oh, said its mum. Right, so, hot and spicy chicken wings. Let's go. Remember, these are normal chicken wings that I threw the spice on myself. Ooh. Wow. With the chili powder, paprika, jalapenos, and Ooh, that's nice that. Wow. I probably won't eat all these guys, there's way too many here. Might save one for my sister though. You know, well, save half of them for my sister. But, oh yeah. I know someone in Boston that would be proud of these. Oh. There. But, wow. Woo. Hotter than the hot and spicy ones I got from Lidl, let's put it that way. These are hotter. A lot hotter. I wonder if I said to Aldi, Lidl, sorry, I'll make you some hot and spicy wings. Oh yes. But those are absolutely gorgeous. Get some of that jalapeno as well. Chicken, jalapeno. Oh. Whoa, they are one spicy mofo. Oh, they're nice. Oh. Oh god. So juicy, so tender. Absolutely gorgeous. So juicy and tender. The flavour, I'm blowing my own trumpet here, but the flavour is gorgeous. The flavour is gorgeous. Oh god, they're nice. The juices, the flavours, the aroma just off this on its own is just unreal. But, oh, yeah. Wow. To be honest, I might even finish the plate because they're that nice. But, chicken wings from Lidl, I think they're about $2.50, $2.99, something like that. And you got the paprika, the jalapeno, hot chili, finger chilies. Absolutely gorgeous. They are hot, they are spicy, but they're not really overpowering. So, not bad, to be fair. Guys, see you on the next one. Don't forget, Friday, live, Remembrance Day. See you then, guys. Ta-da.